So, here's the deal.
What's the deal?
I'm taking a video. Grandma and I are going to go get her a new cordless phone. Woohoo!
I was a Shirley Temple lookalike.
She tried to make you look like Shirley Temple?
Well, it just happened that way, and I have pictures.
Have you had moose?
Oh, yeah.
You had bear stew?
Bear. I've had bear stew. I've had moose biscuits. I've had moose burgers. I don't think I've ever had buffalo, though.
Well.
Buffalo Wild Wings, but...
Here we go, into the land of Walmart to find ourselves a new phone. You don't want to go cheap.
I don't want to go cheap.
Look at that. This is like a Vanna White moment.
Yeah, the AT&T 2-handset phone system.
Okay. I guess we'll see if it does the job.
Yes, we have to.
We had a successful stop at Walmart. Now it's time to go to the other Walmart subsidiary, Sam's Club.
The old man.
Our protein needs are satiated. Stop number 3. Time to see if we can find a tie for my new suit.
Dark blue.
There it is.
That's the one.
That's gotta be the one.
Yeah.
All this shopping has worked up an appetite.
Exactly. Panera, cheddar cheese, and sesame, what was it, sesame chicken?
Bon appetit!
Boy, that was quite a lunch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. You wanna go to the next place?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. This was $34 and this was $8. And I'm saying I gotta take $34 back.
Yes.
Because there ain't no way it's worth it.
And it's a polo. Polo, for heaven's sake. U.S. polo. Ralph Lauren.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You too. All right. Ending the day with some coffees from Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah. Mine is a French vanilla latte.
And I got
That's one of my
a
favorites.
black coffee. Cheers.
Cheers.
To a fun day.
Yes.